So here we want to find the work required to move an object from x equal 1 to x equal 3, and it's in meters, with a force in newtons acting along the x-axis. So we are given our force equation. It's a variable force. So work is force times distance, or displacement. And if our force was constant, we'd just put in that constant, figure out the distance, and we'd have it, but we're going to need to use an integral because we have a variable force. So we're going to integrate from 1 to 3, and that's just simply because that was given. We need to take our force, which is 2, and I'm going to write it as x to the minus 2, and then our distance is dx, and then we'll sum that up on little pieces from 1 to 3. So essentially that integral will do that for us. So now we're ready to do the antiderivative, and so it's going to be 1 higher power and then the reciprocal of the power. So we're going to need a negative 2, and that'll be over x, because x to the minus 1, the minus will come out in front, and there isn't one, so we need the negative on there. And then we need to evaluate that from 1 to 3. So that's going to be negative 2 over 3, minus will make a plus 2 over 1. So that's going to be 6/3 minus 2/3, and so we are going to have 4/3, and the unit for work when we're in this system is joules. So it's 4/3 joules.